Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change wake displays format in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactics, how you can manage a club. Let's get started. So you can tap this setting button and then tap again settings. This is the game configuration. You can change currency here. For example, I want to change into the euro or wake display format. So by default it will become weekly, so the player the salary distribution will be weekly. You can change into the monthly or the yearly, this one. So let's try the yearly. Tap confirm. Let's see. Tap club logo, tap Force Team, and tap view. You can tap into the wage. Let's tap confirm. As you can see, the wage before is weekly, now in yearly. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.